Weather. In this lesson we will look at vocabulary, grammar and conversation about the weather. Vocabulary. Sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy, thunderstorm, foggy, snowy, stormy, hail. What's the weather like today? It is a sunny day. It is a cloudy day. It is a stormy day. It is a rainy day. It is a foggy day. It is a snowy day. It is a hot day. It is a cold day. It is freezing today. It is a warm day. Grammar. Noun. A word used to name a person, animal, place, thing or idea. Adjective. The part of speech that describes or gives information about a noun or pronoun. They are words that tell us what something or somebody is like. Verb. The part of speech known as doing word. They are words that show something is happening or being. Noun. The sun. Adjective. It is sunny. Noun. The snow. Adjective. It is snowy. Verb plus ing. It is snowing. Noun. The cloud. Adjective. It is cloudy. Noun. The rain. Adjective. It is rainy. Verb plus ing. It is raining. Noun. The storm. Adjective. It is stormy. Conversation.
Hello Jamie, are we meeting today?
Hi Will, I am not sure. It is raining here. There is thunder and lightning too. Maybe we can meet tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be better.
No problem. The weather doesn't look good here either. It's very cloudy. Looks like a storm is coming. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
The weather. The plus noun means it is the name of the type of weather. The snow. What is the name of the weather? The snow. It is plus adjective means it is a description of the weather. It is snowy. It is plus verb plus ing means the weather that is happening now. It is snowing. What is happening now? It is snowing.